guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my February yes unbagging, and I'm also going to do a little quick review of December and January's bag to tell you guys if I think they were worth it. So if you guys want to see all of that, then keep watching. Before I get into my little review and unbagging, I just want to let you guys know that I am a Yes ambassador. If you guys want to check them out, I have a link down below, and if you do sign up, I would greatly appreciate it. I do get a little something if you guys do sign up. This subscription is $14.99 a month. You get 3 to 7 full-sized items every single month, and every single month you get a palette of some sort. Eyeshadow, highlight, blush palette. You guys get the idea. Every single month for $14.99. So it is a pretty good deal. First, I'm just going to do a rapid fire review of December and January's products. So the first product from December is this Crown BK 32 angled brush. This brush retails for $15. I think it's nice for highlight. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I'm just not the biggest fan of Crown brushes. Next is this Cokie Kissable Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dolled Up. This retails for $9. I really like the color. It is just not for winter. It is this bright coral color, and I put it on my lips one day and it was just no. So I'll probably use this in April, when it's the springtime or summertime. I feel like it'll look better then, but for the winter, it is just not a winter color. I kind of wish we got a deep red or something like that in the December bag, because to me that would make more sense. Next up is this Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. I absolutely loved this palette. I did do a tutorial on it. It is coming soon. I think it's coming, hold on, let me look at the calendar. I think on the 27th I'm uploading that. If it's not the 27th, I'll have the correct date here. But this is a great palette. I love the colors. If you are really into more neutral bronzy shades, this is your palette. I absolutely love it. This retails for $28, but on the Beauty Creations website it's much cheaper, so I definitely would check this out if you're interested. Beauty Creations has amazing eyeshadows. I really do enjoy them. Next is this Bellapierre Pro Concealer palette. I don't know if you can tell, but this has not been touched. I'm going to do a video trying this out because this spiked a ton of controversy on the Yes Instagram page. So I'm going to do a whole video of me trying it and telling you guys what I think. That'll be up in March, just because I'm pretty much uploading every single day now, and I'm not uploading twice a day. That's just too much. But a video on this is coming soon. I just haven't used it, and this retails for $21. And the last product from December is this Masquerade Tell Me Powder Lip Mask. This is what the lip mask looks like. I know it looks like I didn't use it. I actually used it last night, and I will insert a picture of what it looks like, but it looks like this. These remind me of a dead fish. I don't know why. Or bait when you go fishing. This was a no. I hated it. This retails for how much? $10. It gave me the weirdest tingle on my face, and it even said you're gonna have a weird tingle. It smelled weird. It kept sliding. If I wanted to be comfortable, I had to be like this, when you're at the front row at the movie theater and just looking up. I absolutely hated it with a burning passion. It is not worth the $10. And the tingling lasted. I did this at 10 o'clock last night before I went to bed, and it lasted for a good hour and a half, because I finally went to sleep at 11:30, and it was just tingling forever. And it did nothing for my lips too. That's the other thing. I woke up this morning and my lips were still chapped and crusty. So don't waste your $10. So did I think December was worth it? No, absolutely not. The total was $86, and I only liked 2 out of the 5 products that we got. Now on to January's bag. The first product that I'm going to mention is this Beauty Creations Longwear Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Kiss Me. This retails for $8. I absolutely loved it. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It lasted all day. I ate lunch with it. I drank water with it. I ate dinner with it. I worked out in it. It was amazing. This is what the swatch looks like. It's a really pretty berry shade. It has a weird smell to it though. I don't know. It's the one thing. The Cokie one did too. That one has a weird smell too. But other than that, I really did like it. Super comfortable, lasted literally all day. And for $8, I would definitely purchase more. Next product is this Omg Crown Palette. This retails for $10. I really liked the shadows in here. They're very pigmented. They're really nice. I'm just going to swatch this blue for you guys because a lot of you said you couldn't see it in the tutorial that I did. So here's your swatch. That's what it looks like. I'll link the tutorial that I did using this palette down below if you guys want to check it out. I'm definitely going to do more tutorials with this as well. And I kind of want to do a review on it because this palette's interesting. Next up is this NCLA glitter nail polish in the shade This Is Hollywood. This retails for $21. I really liked this. It was very long lasting on my nails and it was very easy to remove when I wanted to take it off. And it's just a really pretty gold color. I absolutely love it. Next up is this INMO, The Universe's Star Highlighter in the shade Twilight. This was $10. I mentioned in the video that I wasn't the biggest fan of the color. This is what the color looks like when it's swatched. It's like a peachy shade. I don't think it would look good as a highlight on me, but I did use it as an inner corner highlight. I'll insert a picture. And I really did like it there. I'm into that whole like different color highlighter, so I thought that looks really pretty. But I mean, that's probably all I really use it for, or as an eyeshadow. I didn't use it as an all-over eyeshadow yet, but for an inner corner highlight, I really liked it. And then the last product from the January bag is this Appeal Pigment in the shade Charcoal. This retails for $21, which is insane. I don't think I'd ever spend $21 on this. I really did like this though. It was really easy to use and I really like the packaging because it does have a very nice sifter at the top. I hope you guys can see it. The color is really pretty. It has like a little bit of sparkle in here. I used these two products yesterday to do my makeup. I used this as an eyeliner actually, and then this, like I said, as an inner corner highlight, and I really liked it. I just sprayed an angled brush with some Mario Badescu spray, and this applied so nicely. It was really pretty, and I would definitely use it as a highlight, or as an eyeliner. I keep wanting to call it a highlight. As an eyeliner more often. The total of January's bag was $70, and I really liked all of the products that I received. I don't really have any negative complaints, so it was a solid 5 out of 5. January's bag was definitely way more worth it than December's. Now we're going to talk about February's bag. So with every month's bag, you get a card, and I guess the theme is just like love you, Valentine's Day, because there's like all hearts and stuff. I'm going to put the card down because I had to write down the prices because they didn't have the prices on here, which was very strange. And the first product I have here is this Cokie Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in Forest Green. This retails for $6. This is this, oh, that's a really gorgeous swatch. I can't wait to use this. It was so like easy to apply, very creamy. Very excited. I would love to try more Cokie, and it's great that I'm getting them in this bag because my Walmart does not sell Cokie for whatever reason, I don't know. The next product I have here is a JCat Holy Addiction eyeliner in the shade Shimmer Bronze, and this retails for $2.99. So this is the downside to Yes Oh Yes. I got two eyeliners. So this is the swatch right here. Again, it's a really pretty color. I'll definitely use both. But it's like, why did we get two eyeliners, you know? Why? Like, I wish I got an eyeliner and like a mascara. We've never gotten a mascara before, and I would love to get a mascara. Or an eyeshadow. Or, I mean, an eyeshadow would be stupid because we did get a palette. Or a highlighter, like something. Like, why are we getting... This happened again another month where we just got two lip products. And it was just like, we got a liquid lipstick and a lipstick. Like, it's really repetitive and it's like kind of annoying, but... what are you gonna do? The next product is this Bang Beauty Lip Crayon, and this retails for $18. This is in the shade Dangerous. It's a really pretty color. It's right here. It's like I can't tell if it's red or orange because in one light when I did look at it, it looked red. This light's looking like a little orange, so I'll let you guys know what color I think it is, but it looks like it's a nice light wash color, which I do really like. Sometimes I'm not in the mood for like a really super pigmented lip, so that'll be fun. Next, we got 3 brushes from INMO. These brushes look really nice. So we got a crease brush, a concealer brush, and an angled brush. I could not find the price of these, and this is where my great math came in. So On their website, they have a set, and there's 13 brushes. We got 3 out of the 13, and for 13 brushes, it's $45. So when you divide all of that and do all the math, these come out to about $3.46 each. I guess. I don't know. I probably did the math wrong, but that sounded right to me, so we're just gonna roll with that. But these brushes feel really, really nice, and I'm very excited to use them. The crease brush looks super nice, and this concealer brush looks good too. I didn't think I was going to like the handle. I don't know, because it's like bumpy and stuff, so I'll let you guys know how I feel about that. But otherwise, these brushes look really good. And the last product I am so excited for, and it is the Beauty Creations Emerald Palette, and this retails for $11.99. So this palette looks a little similar to another palette. Do you see some similar shades? So I'm very excited to see. This one I'm sure will be better because Beauty Creations is really good. I'm going to swatch a couple colors for you guys. I'm going to swatch the ones that I have been like eyeing and dying to swatch. Oh my god, the green. Oh my god, it's like my perfect. Like if I ever could ask for a green to make my own, like this may be it. So this is one swatch. Okay. Looks just like the Subculture palettes. That cold. Is this green good? Oh my god, the green's so good. Oh, you're gonna get so many tutorials using this palette. Oh, I'm so excited now. So the total of this month's bag is interesting, and I want you guys to just listen. On the card, it says that the total MSRP value should be $93. But when I added it up, it is $49.36. According to the SOS website, prices are based on original prices that are given to them. So I don't know if prices change. I mean, obviously prices change, so a lot of products might have price drops. I think that the Emerald palette definitely did, because this was really hard to find on the Beauty Creations website, and I eventually did after like searching it 50,000 times. So this must have had a price drop, and I'm sure the INMO brushes were priced differently to them. So I don't really know where the $93 amount came from, but like I said, when I added it up on my calculator, it is $49.36. I will let you guys know in a month how I think this bag was, and if I think it was worth that amount. We shall see. And that is it for this video. If you guys want to sign up for Yes Oh Yes, like I said, there is a link down below, and if you do sign up using my link, I greatly appreciate it. And thank you to whoever signed up last month, because I do get told like when someone uses my link, so thank you so much. I like wanted to like scream like because someone used my link. I was so excited. So thank you so much. If that was one of you guys, let me know if it was down below in the comments, because thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you want to leave a comment, a video suggestion, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!